Hello, District 12. This is Aaron Beverly, the 2019 World Champion of Public Speaking, and I'm looking very forward to joining you at your spring conference on May 2nd. At the conference, we're going to be talking about honoring the past and embracing the future. The messages that I have planned for you is one called a worthy competition. And in this keynote, I'll be going over my past as a shy, awkward, introverted person to a world champion of public speaking. I'll be talking about what I was and embracing what I am becoming. And I hope that my message can help you honor your past and embrace whatever future you're trying to strive toward. In addition to that, we're going to be talking about building stories, about how you can take your everyday life events and turn them into memorable stories so that you can use for your speeches or just around the dinner table. Again, District 12, I'm looking very forward to this. I'm looking forward to the conversations. I'm looking forward to the laughter. I'm looking forward to the learning that we're going to go through on May 2nd. But I need you to register. I need you to register as soon as you possibly can. And when it gets to May 2nd, I'll see you there and we're going to have a good time. Until then, my friends, take care.